you feel really comfortable here. You feel that you can reach out to the staff, to the students, to anyone, to the professors, to the teachers. So you can really reach out to them and be open to them and say, look, I'm struggling with this, even personal problems. You can reach out to them. So it's something really helpful that you can be comfortable talking to them.
They taught me more than that, the grammar, how you need to address a professor even through an email, how formatting, your paper for your APA style, AMA style, everything. So going to the ILI, I realized that a very big offense.
English learnings, step by step. ELI was fine for me because in here everybody like me. Everybody don't know speaking English.